Ni hao, Shimen Junior High students. This is still Stanley Ompad, all the way from the Philippines, and I'm here to continue the video number 11. Number 10. So, I'm gonna go ahead and read this paragraph story of the grasshopper and the ants. So, hope you'll gonna learn a lot from this story. So, to start with, once upon a time, there was a grasshopper living in the forest. He enjoyed lying on the grass and singing songs. One fine summer day, some ants stopped to rest near the grasshopper. "Hey, you guys, what are you doing?" said the grasshopper. "We are collecting food." "What a hot day," answered the ants. "You ants are foolish. It is too hot to work." The grasshopper laughed. "But we have to prepare the food for winter," said the ants. "Winter? It's still months away. We still have time to have fun," the grasshopper complained. "But we need to do it now. Winter will come sooner than you think," said the ants. Then the ants carried their food and left. However, the grasshopper was not worried. He had picked enough leaves for one day. "I won't be hungry tonight. Why should I worry about tomorrow?" Then fool arrived. The ants were busier than before, but the grasshopper just sang and made fun of the ants. When he felt hungry, he picked some leaves and ate them. Then one day, the grasshopper came out of his house and found, to his surprise, the earth was covered in cold, white snow. He started looking for food, but the snow covered the grass, and there were no more leaves in the trees. The next day, the grasshopper still couldn't find any food outside. He was so cold and hungry. "I have been too foolish and lazy. Now I have no food." The poor grasshopper began to cry loudly. The kind-hearted ants heard the grasshopper. They were so nice that they invited the grasshopper to their place and shared the food with him. From that day, the grasshopper was no longer lazy. In fact, he became the most hardworking insect in the forest. So here are the following questions for the parrot or for the story. To start with, question number one. So, what does the word "it" means in the story? A. Having fun. B. Collecting food. C. Enjoying the grass. D. Carrying leaves. Repeating the choices for number one. A. Having fun. Enjoying the grass. B. Collecting food. C. Enjoying the grass. Or D. Carrying leaves. Question number two. What's true about the story? Letter A. The grasshopper was a lazy insect all the time, and he never felt sorry. Letter B. The grasshopper never picked any leaves, though the ants told him to. Letter C. The ants were very kind, and they sent food to the grasshopper's place. Letter D. The ants worked even harder in fall with the grasshoppers play around. Letter A. The grasshopper was a lazy insect all the time, and he never felt sorry. Letter B. The grasshopper never picked any leaves, though the ants told him to. Letter C. The ants were very kind, and they sent food to the grasshopper's place. Letter D. The ants work even harder in fall when the grasshopper play around. Question number 3. What can we learn from the story? Letter A. We should try to have fun in summer since it's hot. Letter B. We can't start doing things at the last minute. Letter C. We have to collect as many leaves as possible we can. Letter D. We'd better love our neighbors because we could need their help. Repeating choices for question number 3. Letter A. One moment here. Letter A. We should try to have fun in summer since it's hot. Letter B. We can't start doing things at the last minute. Letter C. We have to collect as many leaves as possible when we can. D. When we'd better love our neighbors because we could need their help. So that's the end of the questionnaire for the paragraph. Hoping you're gonna pick the right answer. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. You have a good day ahead.